Hello guys, it is the Darkslayeress, your queen of darkness. This is the second video of the newer set of videos that I'm going to be posting to this channel. You can watch the last one by clicking in the description, and you can check the description for my other YouTube channel because I actually run a very popular YouTube channel called The Magic Crafter. At least it's relatively popular. And we have about 18,000 subscribers right now. It's a very fun channel, I think. Focuses all on fairy tales, mermaids, and Gothic fashion, and how to be a professional mermaid. It's a little bit scatterbrained, but you can check it out if you'd like to. I really enjoy working on that channel, and we post videos there every week for the time being. That being said, this channel has resurfaced a couple of times, and I think it may be here to stay once again. We'll see. It's going to be focused around Devil May Cry topics, not gameplay, and Gothic fashion related things. So we'll talk about Gothic fashion and Devil May Cry mostly, and things that kind of relate to it, like Gothic lifestyle, makeup tutorials, etc, etc. However, at the moment, I'm not going to be posting weekly videos to this channel. I do have a full-time job, full-time-ish. I have a business that I run. I have a second YouTube channel I run, and so posting weekly videos to this channel at the moment is not feasible. I'm not making any money off these videos at the moment, so it would really just not be worth it to me to completely kill myself over this channel at the moment. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers, maybe we'll start getting more regular content. We'll see. But if you would like to leave any suggestions for videos you would like to see in the comments, please let me know. I'm open to ideas. This channel is still in the planning process, and I'm kind of excited to see what could become of it. So thank you for watching this short little informational video about what the Darkslayeress is all going to be about. By the way, you can call me Darkslayeress, you can call me Phantom, and that's about it. Check out the description for links to all sorts of different things. Keep it stylish.